There it goes. Okay, let's go.
Oh,
Where do you want to go?
why are you following you?
Okay, hold on. Come here. Stand by me. Stand in front of me. In front of me. I'm gonna hold up my fist like this. Okay. You hold up your fist. Open your hand. No, point your palm at the drone. Like this. See how it turned blue? Now I can do this. Look, I can fly with my hand.
Oh.
Okay. Wait. I'm gonna close my hand. There. Now move your hand. Open your hand. Now move it side to side. Left and right. Down, up, down, left, right. Cool, huh? Now close your fist. Now walk away. It'll follow you. Don't make it crash. Stop. Talk to it. You have a microphone.
Hi.
Tell your viewers something that you're just filming you. Go like this. Move your hands apart. Now put your hands together. No, like this, together. It's got to see you do it. Don't touch your hands. Just bring them together. It thinks that's one hand. There we go. Raise it up. Palm up. Point your palm at it. Up. Up. There you go. Now sit. Now walk away. Turn around and walk. Go ahead. Walk around by the playhouse.
Wait. I'm moving it down so it doesn't crash.
Okay. It's going to follow you. Keep going. Take it to the playhouse.
Well, I'm getting it closer.
No. Take it to the playhouse. You're going to run out of time. It doesn't fly for very long. Huh? Hello. Where are you going? Show it your playhouse. Talk about it. It's listening to you.
This is my playhouse. You can come in.
Make it go around. Like this. Micah, go like this. And make it go all the way around you. That's now turn. Keep going. Higher, don't crash. Higher. Don't crash. If you're right, that means it's following your movement. You've got to look at your palm, Micah, not the tip of your fingers. More up, like this. Make it higher. Done? Are you done?
No.
Hold out a flat hand. Let it land on your hand now. Here it comes. Like this. Like Yep.